First question is, how would building services as only APIs affect your choice of tools and techniques? So that's the first thing to think about. If you knew that all you had to build were API services that were very small, how would it change what you use to build those services? Or would it? Maybe it wouldn't. The second question is, are there programming languages that would be better suited to API-only services? And when I say better suited, I mean better than whatever you're using right now. I don't know what you're using, but you should be asking yourself, is there some better way of doing this? Is there a better programming language that is more suited to doing what I'm doing? And the final question is, are there better protocols to provide these service APIs? We're really stuck on HTTP as a protocol. But there's a whole world of protocols out there. Are there better ones for building these services? So that's another question you might want to ask yourself. The final thing I want to say is you should be always fuzz testing. You know, fuzz test your beliefs. And fuzz testing is basically throw in crazy junk data. All right, and this is a term that's used in testing, and I was having a discussion about this. It's one of the things we maybe don't do enough of in the Ruby unit testing world, you know, where we write a lot of unit tests and we get a nice clean data in and get nice clean data out. Well, what happens when you start throwing crazy data into your tests? What I would propose is do the same thing but with your ideas. Fuzz test your ideas. Ask yourself random weird-ass questions to test whether an assumption that you're making right now is actually an accurate assumption, or if maybe there's other ways of thinking about solving problems. And that goes to whatever framework you use, language, programming environment, operating system, your beliefs about anything. Just constantly be fuzz testing your own beliefs. Here's the project up on GitHub, if you're interested. It's got both the Rails app and the Sinatra app in there. The Sinatra